Well, we have everything. We have a lifestyle for everyone. We have so many different lifestyles here, and we have arts and history and culture and fine dining and shopping, and the weather's great. And the thing I love about Charleston, I love everything about Charleston, but the friendliest people you'll ever come across. Different lifestyles. If you want a beach lifestyle, if you like to golf, if you want to live downtown where you can just walk out the front door and be at everything in a minute. So everybody loves that.
I love historic homes, and of course when I came to Charleston I wanted a historic home. Well, Lisa has bought and sold many for herself. She and her husband have redone homes, sold them, moved to larger homes. She really understands the market and the things that are important to consider when you're buying a home in the historic district.
So I grew up outside of Lexington, Virginia in a plantation, and my dad was a big real estate investor, so I used to tag along with him and my grandfather when they were doing renovations and projects, and I just fell in love with it. I loved architecture. I loved going in those houses and just seeing what they could be and bringing them back to life. So I caught the bug at a really early age. Properties in Charleston are different. Every one of them is different. The history's different. You have historic easements. You're dealing with the Board of Architectural Review. So you need to work with someone that knows the ins and outs of those historic properties.
Lisa takes the time to get to know a person and to really listen to their story, where they are in life, where they'd like to be in life, and finds you not just a property, not just a house, but what's going to be your home and where you in turn will be the happiest. And as a bonus to all of this, Lisa is a real maven in connecting people. And Lisa has introduced me to this wonderful circle of people that have now become my friends.
I love the Sotheby's brand. So we bring something to the table that no one else can bring. We are truly a global experience when you work with us. So whenever I travel, I go to a Sotheby's office. So when I have listings, what do? I take those listings with me and I show them to all the other Sotheby's agents. I stay in contact with them. And then for the buyer that's coming in, we have so much technology. When we're looking at a house, I can pull up technology that we have, show them how their furniture is going to look in the property. So we just bring a lot of things to the table that no one else does.
We came with Lisa when she made the move here, and needless to say, top to bottom, the service has been great. Everybody's been real professional, real helpful. And I think, from whether you're coming from out of town or looking to do something in town, those resources are helpful.
The other thing I love about Lisa is that she loves what she does. So she's always enthusiastic. She will answer my phone call if it's Sunday afternoon. I love that. I've had realtors that, disappear on the weekend, and that seems to be when all the hot deals occur. So she is always available, always on the job, wanting to buy, sell, help the clients. She loves this job and she works it 24/7.
It's a small market. It's a market where I think knowledge is power, and it's a nuanced market. And to Lisa's credit, she knows every blade of grass and every rock and every cross street, and it's been very helpful to me and my wife.
I love what I do. It's never the same every day. I love my clients. I stay in touch with them. We become friends. We do things in the neighborhood together. And I want my clients to love where they live. I want them to be in the house that they want. I want to go the extra mile for them. The way I look at it is every day when I come home and I walk through the gates of my garden and I see my house, it puts a smile on my face because I love it. And that's how I want my clients. That's what the experience I want for them. I want their place to put a smile on their face every day when they come home.